Yeah, so this is my...
This is 54.97.
Okay. Thank you very much. Love you too. Hello to everyone. So these clips are what transpired for the whole 2 weeks in my life. So ito yung breakfast ko, rice with vegetables and canned tuna, and then my favorite, which was also my mother's favorite, the chili sauce, which is sweet also. So this was the work I was doing before bilang laundry attendant sa isang hotel dito sa Edmonton. Matagal-tagal na rin ako naghahanap ng water flosser because it's really very good in keeping the in-between of your teeth clean. So, para siyang pressure washer. Unfortunately, nung napunta ako sa West Edmonton Mall, wala na siyang stock. Nagpunta ako sa isa pang Shoppers Drug Mart branch dito sa may Jasper Avenue. Unfortunately, hindi siya on sale. So, hindi ko siya binili kasi wala siya doon sa budget ko. The last store that I went to was dito sa Walmart sa may Kingsway Mall. And good enough, I saw a type of washer na battery operated siya, and then the price is within my budget, so binili ko na siya kaagad because I know that water flossers, they are really very expensive. Nakalimutan kong bumili ng plain white shirt sa Walmart, so ang ginawa ko na lang when I was in West Edmonton Mall, tumingin ako ng plain white shirt, and medyo kamahala ng konti. I believe it was $29 or $22. I couldn't remember the exact price, pero binili ko na rin kasi I don't think I can go back to Walmart again. And the usual that I do pag nagpupunta akong Uniqlo, tingin-tingin lang ako kasi mahal ang Uniqlo dito sa Canada compared to sa Japan. And even yung kanilang nag-viral na shoulder bag, malaki talaga ang diferensya kumpara sa price sa Japan. So, trinay ko yung self-checkout dito sa may Uniqlo. Kakaiba siya, no? Just have to put it sa isang portion ng counter na may weighing scale, I believe, and then scan yung iyong barcode, and then, yeah, you just pay it your own. So, ito yung bag na sinasabi ko nag-viral siya. Very cute siyang tingnan, pero yung inside talaga hindi ko nagustuhan, and for a price of $29.95, parang hindi siya sulit. So pag summer dito sa Canada, ang lalaki ng lamok pag kinagat ka talaga, yung maninigas siya and mamamantal ng gusto. Kahit nakadamit ka, yung kagat sa'yo with the damit on, talagang masakit pa rin.
Just like a present from heaven, beautiful, wonderful you. The clouds disappeared and the birds started singing. a beautifully wonderful tune.
And then right after a weekday mass sa Basilica, I decided to go to Safeway dito sa may Oliver Square. May mga gusto akong biling prutas because kailangan ng katawan ko, and you could tell by the, you know, as you excrete something, even yung gas mo, iba talaga yung amoy, which means I need to eat more fruits and vegetables than more kesa sa carbohydrates. Siyempre, I treated myself sa isang frappuccino sa Starbucks. At first, hindi ko alam kung paano bigkasin. Is it s'mores? S'mores pala. So, I bought chocolate s'mores sa Starbucks, and total summer naman. So, why not treat myself? I need to love myself more at this point in my life.
No longer lonely or blue. For I am
S'mores,
kissed by an angel. Beautiful, wonderful, marvelous love.
That's s'mores,
Beautiful,
frappuccino,
wonderful you.
s'mores. The small one. Thank you very much. Love you too.
Ganito yung gusto kong weather, no? Parang Pilipinas lang. Pag nag-winter na, kasi napakahirap ng lumabas because it would be too cold and syempre madulas. And at my age, talaga nag-iingat na ako sa paglalakad. Pag uwi ko, tiningnan ko kung paano gagamitin ni itong water flosser para sa ipin. And it was battery operated, so kailangan lang siya ng 3 AA batteries. And it's really very good kasi talaga na-flush out niya yung mga leftover food in between your teeth. I got the chance na magkaroon ako ng side hustle or job, cleaning pa rin. Pero this time it pays a little higher and I will be just by myself. I will be cleaning vacant, renovated suites, and then one more suite na pre-renovation. Matrabaho pero kayang-kaya namang gawin, unlike sa isang hotel housekeeping wherein you had to do 12 rooms in a matter of 8 hours. Parang hindi na talaga kaya ng powers ko, so I've decided just to give it up and concentrate on this one. So ito lang muna ang mga ganap na nangyayari sa buhay ko bilang isang 59-year-old Filipina-Canadian. As much as I wanted to retire, I can't yet. I got a letter from Service Canada that I can retire, but unfortunately the retirement pay isn't even enough to pay for rent. So ganun talaga ang buhay. So kaya pa naman, wag lang aabusuhin ng katawan. So yan lang muna, and I will be doing more videos and relevant clips that would be beneficial to people my age.